This tutorial will instruct you on how to create a new user in TeleVantage using the TeleVantage administrator. I'm going to double click here to open it up, enter in my username and password, which needs to be an administrator on here. And then we have some additional options as well, which is the server name and the station ID. Press *0 on your phone to hear your station ID for any recordings.
This telephone is station number 12, and the current extension is 9009.
So since 12 is populated there, if I need to record any auto attendant or other greetings inside the administrator, I will be able to do so. When I click the record button, it would then ring the phone on my desk, so that way I could continue recording. I'm going to go ahead and click OK here to get us into the administrator itself. Alright, and now I can right-click anywhere where there's no text and create a new user. I could have also used the icon in the upper left-hand corner to create a new user. First name, last name, and an extension. Completely arbitrary, extensions can be whatever you like them to be. The station ID, however, does reference the physical port that the phone is plugged into for this user. So this particular user, I'm going to give station ID 2 as it's available. And a DID number could be filled out here if you're using a T1, and this user is going to have a direct inbound dial number that would be populated in that field. The password for this user, I recommend using at least 4 digits, unsequenced, so nothing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or anything containing the extension number like 9203. Our next option here is voicemail. Here I'm going to increase my size to 200 minutes of recording time, which only takes up 90 megabytes of space or so, and that gives me plenty of time for my call recordings, voicemails, etc. That about does it for the basic features of creating a new user in TeleVantage. I'm going to click OK. And now our new user has privileges to be able to go and pick up their phone and dial out. And anyone on the system can pick up the phone and dial 9203 to reach this extension. That concludes this tutorial.